Hello, welcome back. I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And today we're jaw-jacking with Jarhead and Ginger.
Come on.
If you've been following along with the last few jaw-jackings, you'll know that we had a leak. It was in our black tank flush, and it was up behind our kitchen cabinets, and it rained down into our bay, and it even leaked out into our kitchen a little bit. This week, I'm happy to finally announce that I got it fixed. So, I had to go in and get a new one of these, put it in, went out, had Allison there at the cabinet again, turned the water on, and it worked perfectly fine. So, this little plastic piece caused all that issue with all of that water in the bay. I think it may have been down inside here after I took it off. There was a little piece of, a little chip of wood, like a piece of sawdust type stuff got in there. And I'm wondering if that was holding the valve from closing. You can hear how it opens and closes. I wonder if that was keeping it from opening or closing, allowing the water to come out. I don't know, but I did replace it anyway, so it's all over. That one is all over now. Now I just got to keep my fingers crossed that the other black tank flush isn't going to be broken when I try it for the first time.
And thank you to Dustin from Wayward Wags for sending Scott a little video to help him show how he replaced his.
I tried his technique, but I had probably the worst lows in the world. I couldn't find the part I needed, and I got zero customer service. So I actually went and picked this up at one of the Holiday Worlds nearby. This part alone was $50, so it's nothing to be replacing every few days. But yeah, thanks Dustin, I appreciate the video. Really helped me out, and when I get to a Lowe's, I'll probably upgrade to your technique.
Also, we dropped off a load of more stuff from our continuous, never-ending downsizing to Goodwill. And so I think we about have it narrowed down.
We do. I had a big giant box hoping, I guess, that she would be able to fill it. But she only had about this much stuff in the bottom of the box. It was a lot more kitchen items and things like that. So we were able to take that in and drop it off. And now we're down to just a very little, or she's down to just a very little bit of stuff left that needs a permanent home. And then we can start swapping stuff, bringing stuff in and taking stuff out.
Right.
Because like everybody's told us, and we're learning quickly, it is the never-ending process of downsizing. That was actually at our last place where we went and dropped that off. And the next day after we dropped off at the Goodwill, we moved. So we were at Medina Lake Campground. Those of you that guessed it on the video where I took the shot of the deer and said, guess where we are, congratulations. You didn't win anything, but you guessed correctly. We were at Medina Lake.
1,000 Trails of Medina Lake.
Yeah, and it is a really awesome place because of all the deer that are there, and a lot of them are so used to people, they'll come right up to you and all that stuff. So it's really cool, and we will have a video coming out on that shortly, the tour of the 1,000 Trails at Medina Lake.
And we'll give you an honest review because our favorite thing about it was the deer, but there were some kind of not so great things as well. So we will share that in our upcoming video.
Absolutely. So we moved a little west. We're heading back towards Houston area. And we are in another 1,000 Trails now. And this is the first one. Granted, this is only our third trip into 1,000 Trails. But this is the first one that when we got here, they actually told us they didn't have any full hookup sites. No 30 amps, no 50 amps, full hookup sites at all. So,
meaning with sewer dump.
Right.
We got 30 amp.
Right.
No
we got power and water, we just don't have sewer. So, we're conserving the best we can, and we had to actually get on a list So when a full hookup site becomes available, they will let us know, and then we can move there. So we don't even have a Blue Boy yet, but if we get to that point, I may have to go and buy one of those and haul some black and gray water down to the dump station. It's either that or hitch up and tow, a quarter of a mile up the road here to the dump station to dump, and turn around and come back and set it back up. So that's basically our two options if we fill the tanks.
And hooking it all up and towing it up the road sounds simple, but I've got the walls covered in home decor holiday right now, because as you can see, it's Christmas time. And mixed with my seaside or beachy theme. So it takes a while to get the house undecorated and then have to tow it a quarter mile and then back down and redecorate. No, thank you. They were out of Blue Boys at Holiday World. So we didn't want to go to that other place because they're not nice.
So speaking of Christmas time,
yes,
what is our plans for Christmas?
You don't know?
I don't.
So today is Christmas Eve, and we've been invited by another YouTube channel to go over there and have a seat at their campfire and talk with them. I don't want to mention their name in case they don't want to give away their location because they're a bigger channel. So we're going to go chat with them tonight. And then tomorrow, our daughter is coming over for Christmas Day. And I asked her what she wanted to do. I didn't feel like doing a turkey and ham. And she wants tamales. We had actually bought tamales to do on Christmas Eve. We'll just have leftovers and do our tamales and maybe some pozole or some carne guisado. I haven't decided what to go with the tamales. And we have to get to the store and get the stuff to do that soon because they'll probably close early for Christmas Eve. I don't know. This is our first Christmas in the United States since 2012? Yeah, 2012.
No, 11.
2011, that's right. So first Christmas in the USA since 2011. So we don't know if the stores close early or what. And we are in a small town. So then Tiffany and her husband, our daughter Tiffany and her husband are coming over. You saw them in another jacking video. And we're going to eat, and then they're going to go home, not spending the night. I think we scared them off last night with our crazy hard bunk bed. We did find a way to make it a little softer, put another mattress on it. But then the day after Christmas, we're having my side of the family is doing a small get-together at a park. So we'll have an outside gathering, and we're going to do an ugly mask contest. Send me your ideas in the comments for an ugly mask. I have no idea what I'm doing. I thought about putting mirrors on them, but yeah, my family's too beautiful for that.
My job for the get-together is to do a brisket. So tomorrow on Christmas Day, I will be starting a brisket, hopefully finishing it off on the 26th morning time frame, so I can let it sit and we can get there and everybody can have some brisket when we get there.
And we aren't getting gifts for each other or our kids. I think for the first time ever, this that we're sitting in, our new home, is pretty much our Christmas gift. And we're still having some trying to get Scott's pay straightened out so we can figure out what our retirement budget's going to be. So everybody got stickers from Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
Speaking of stickers, if you want one, send us an email. We'll put it right down here so you guys can see it. Send us an email. Tell us you want a sticker. When we get a few of them back for like sticker swaps, we'll do another video and put them on our board out there.
That's right. And remember, the Christmas season is all about Jesus. So Merry Christmas to you all.
Merry Christmas, everybody. And also, we reached 550 subscribers today. So if you're a new subscriber, thanks a lot for subscribing to help us get to that goal. If you've been a subscriber for a while, again, thanks for coming along. We can't wait to see what the new year has in store. Hopefully something way better than this year did. And hopefully you will enjoy our content in through the next or the coming year. So again, Merry Christmas.
Very Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for helping make us have a great year so far.
Yep, and Happy New Year.
As far as YouTube goes.
And if you're still here to the end, again, thanks for sticking around. And we'll see you next time on Jaw Jacking with Jarhead and Ginger.
Bye.